Good afternoon, first graders. This is Miss Moore, and I wanted to let you guys know two important things. First, it's a little bit of bad news, but they have extended our break 2 more weeks, and with that being said, we're not going to be able to go back to the classroom. The good news is that we are still going to be learning, and we just have to find a different way to do it. Okay, so I will let your parents know a little bit more about that later, but right now, guess what time it is? It's story time. What time is it? It's story time. What time is it? It's story time. So I need everyone to come to the carpet for a story. I'm going to wait about 3 seconds. Let me see who is coming to the carpet quickly and quietly. Good job, Jace. Good job, Mackenzie. Good job, Corbin. Okay. Now, our story is called Fireflies. The author is Michele Dufresne. And what I want you to think about while I'm reading the story is it fiction or nonfiction? Okay? If you think that it's fiction, why do you think that? And if you think that it's nonfiction, what makes you think that it's nonfiction? Okay, you're going to have to tell me at the end which one you think and why, okay? Here is a firefly. Sometimes fireflies are also called lightning bugs. A firefly is an insect. Just a sec. Have you ever seen little flashes of light at night? The little flashing lights are being made by fireflies. A firefly's light can be yellow, green, or orange. The fireflies are talking to each other with their lights. Okay, so if you talk to each other, what's a fancy word of saying that you talk to each other? Okay, so dogs bark, and that's how they talk to each other. Cats meow. Fireflies use their lights. Those are all ways of communicating. Good job, guys. A firefly is not a fly. A firefly is not a bug. Fireflies are beetles. Ooh, and look at that word. It looks different. They have 2 pairs of wings, and they have 2 big eyes. Antenna, eyes, wings, abdomen. Oh, and there's a bug on me. Okay, so abdomen, that's a different word. If you know what abdomen is, raise your hand. Okay, everyone has an abdomen. Everyone point to their abdomen. Good job. I like how y'all are sitting so quietly. Good job. Fireflies live in grass and around bushes. They like to live in places where it is warm and wet. Fireflies live almost everywhere in the world. This map shows where you can find fireflies. Fireflies lay their eggs in the spring. Fireflies lay eggs in the ground. The eggs hatch in 3 or 4 weeks. Some kinds of firefly eggs glow. Little worms come out of the eggs. The little worms are called larvae. The larva eats bugs in the ground. In the winter, the firefly larva goes to sleep. They sleep in the ground and they sleep under tree bark. And this is the life cycle of the firefly. So it starts as an egg, then it grows into a larva, then to a pupa, and then to an adult. So I want you to stop and think. You're going to turn to the person next to you, and you're going to tell them how you think that the firefly keeps repeating. How does the life cycle keep repeating? Okay, 1, 2, 3, come back to me. 1, 2, come back to you. Okay, last page is the glossary. So you have a picture of a beetle, bark, wings, and larva. Okay, so in your reader's notebook, or a sheet of paper, since our reader's notebooks are in our desks, you are going to write if you think that this book is fiction or nonfiction, and you're going to tell me why. Okay? Did you see anything in the book that fiction stories or nonfiction stories are supposed to have? Okay? Then when you're done, ask your parents if you can take a picture and post it on Remind so I can see the awesome work that you guys are doing. Okay? You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.